Hello students, welcome to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my own channel, School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website, Patel Section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with an easier way to learn their lesson and prepare for exams. The new website is interactive and gives better access to NCERT solution, GSEB solution, Kids Zone and general knowledge courses and quiz. Today we will see a video related to NCERT solution for class 8 Geography, chapter 5 Industries. Let's solve textbook exercise. The first question is, what is meant by the term industry? Industry refers to an economic activity that is concerned with the production of goods like iron and steel industry, extraction of minerals like coal, mining industry, and the provision of services like tourism industry. Second question, which are the main factors which influence the location of an industry? Setting up an industry leads to the development and growth of that location. The factors that affect the location of industries are the easy availability of raw materials and land, adequate supply of water and labor, access to power and transport, presence of market, and a good amount of capital. Sometimes the government also provides incentives like subsidized power, lower transport cost, and other infrastructural facilities. This is done to encourage industry to be established in economically backward areas. Third question, which industries is often referred to as a backbone of our modern industry and why? Steel is called the backbone of our modern industry because almost everything we use is either made up of steel or has been made with machinery or tools made out of steel. The steel industry is basically the feeder industry whose products are the raw materials for other industries. Next question, why has the cotton textile industry rapidly expanded in Mumbai? The warm and moist climate, proximity to the port, easy availability of raw material and skilled labor helped in the rapid expansion of cotton textile industry in Mumbai. Next question is, tick the correct answer. Fort Gloucester is located in West Bengal. Which one of the following is a natural fiber? That is jute. Next question is, distinguish between the following. So first is agro-based and mineral-based industry. So agro-based industries use plant and animal-based product as their raw materials. It is a source of employment for people in rural areas. Food processing, vegetable oil, cotton textile, dairy products and leather industries are examples of agro-based industries. Whereas mineral-based industries are prime industries that use mineral ore as the raw materials. It is a source of employment for both rural and urban populations. Steel and iron industries and heavy machine industries are examples of mineral-based industries. Next question is, public sector and joint sector industry. So industries owned and operated by government are public sector industries. Steel Authority of India Limited and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited are examples of public sector industries. On the other hand, joint sector industries are owned and operated by the state and individual or a group of individuals. Maruti Udyog Limited is an example of joint sector industry. Next question is, give two examples of the following in the space provided. So raw material. So iron ore and cotton are the raw materials. End products. So steel and cloth is the end products. Tertiary activities. So transport and banking is the tertiary activities. Agro-based industry. So dairy and sugar. Cottage industry. So pottery and basket weaving. Cooperatives. So Mother Dairy and Anand Milk Union Limited, that is Amul, is a cooperatives. So this was chapter 5 of NCERT solution for class 8 Geography. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.